Hello, hello. It's full moon tonight, and we have a barbecue night outside. We have the Caribbean night, Monday night. So over there, and then I show the moon right now over here. See, it's full moon. That's my background right now. Look at this, phenomenal, right? It's so nice. And the water is so calm, so nice. Yeah, there we go. I give it the 360 view right now. See the bar. Yeah. There we go. Again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. Have a good evening for everyone. Over here. Yeah.
Videographer, is he?
I know. Yeah.
It's nice, man.
It's nice, man.
So it holds it firm.
You can sit up, it will follow you also. There's like
Sensor.
a sensor.
Oh, and that's why it was moving a little bit.
Yeah, it's moving a little bit. Put this in the sensor and will follow you.
My brush is dying. This brush is dying.
Yeah, it's like almost like I didn't charge me. Get some face recognition, then will follow you. Hey, another night, and it's done again. I'm gonna start closing right now, so it's fun tonight. It's not there's like really crowded. It's not really busy. It's probably next month, maybe starting the mid of December. That's gonna be like really that's continuous until New Year. That's gonna be yeah. It's gonna be really busy. That's deep. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around. You know how to close the bars. I'm closing right now. They start closing it, it's still like a few more minutes, you know. Everybody's going home now. Really nice, like smooth and slow. I'm gonna show you the outside mood right now. The moon. It does like outside tonight. It's already 10:20 in the evening, and I show you the moon. Yeah, that's the moon. There's the moon right there. There's the view outside. And that's it for tonight. Have a good night, and I see you next time. Again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology. my IG, my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. Thank you so much. All right.